Hey, Albert Horror here. Next Level Gym. I want to thank you and congratulate you for joining in on our program, whether it's boot camp or personal training. So we're going to go over our nutrition program, how it works, and some couple other tips real quick. So you should receive an email from us after we do our measurements. So make sure that you schedule that measurements if we haven't done it yet. But it's going to look like this right here. It's going to have our seven at-home workouts, 7-day grocery list, 10 at-home workouts, our food example list showing carbs, proteins, and fats, and then your nutrition program titled right here. You have to open it up on a laptop or PC. It won't work on your phone. Part of that email is I have the schedule again. Follow us on Facebook and Instagram. This is where you're watching that YouTube video, and then we're going to have some videos that explain some protein, carbs, and fats and what they are. Some info 101. So the main one we want to work at is going to be this nutrition program. You'll download it. For whatever reason you have an issue, let us know. But what we're trying to figure out here is what our total calorie intake is. And so that's this number right here, and that comes from X amount of carbs, protein, and fat. Okay, so you see this first meal sort of layered out, structured out, depending how many meals we have a day. Everybody's going to be a little different. Times don't matter. Generally, we're going to have a pre-workout meal, so that would be the meal before we come and work out. Some of you will have a post-workout meal, but the main base core being that we can't change these numbers right here. Okay, all you can control is the food item. Okay, Albert, I hate grapes. Okay, cool. Change it to, I don't know, bananas somewhere in here. Okay, bananas is going to tell you how much. Have half banana. Okay, same thing right here. Pre-workout meal. Hell no, Albert, I ain't having damn cottage cheese with brown rice. Find the tab, click through, chicken. Okay, boom, 4 ounces. So it tells you how much of it to have on this side. So these numbers, I don't even know if these are my exact numbers, but these may be yours, where I need maybe 2 cups and 8 ounces. So yeah, it's healthy, but the thing we need to figure out is what works for us. Whatever our goal is, we need to make sure that we're hitting those certain numbers. So when we follow up in 2 weeks here in our body fat tab, these are the measurements that we did. It lets us know, okay, hey, cool. Most of us are here for weight loss. So, all right, from 216 in 2 weeks, if I can get down to like 214, 213, awesome. I want to make sure these numbers are dropping as well, because that lets me know that it's body fat. It's not muscle. So this is how we follow up. We know what's working. We know it's working. We'll have you do a food log also. You'll write down 8 a.m. I had 4 egg whites and 2 yolks. And then 11, I had half a cup of brown rice, 4 ounces of tilapia. And you'll food log and we'll follow up there. But the main thing how this nutrition program works, it's simple. It has a set base that we want to get ballpark with. And you just click and interchange the food. Remember, your big 3 are going to be oatmeal, rice, potatoes for our carbohydrates, and then our protein, chicken, turkey, fish. Keep it simple, measure food out, get great results. Talk to you soon. Next Level Gym.